Hello everyone, I am Bachaspati Mem Dhaneshwari Sharma. I am an English teacher of class 9 and 10. Welcome back to the class. In the second part, we have seen that Lady Macbeth ended the grand function abruptly because Macbeth started behaving in a strange way. So let's see what happened next. All the noblemen who had came to attend the function, they went away without saying anything after Lady Macbeth ended the function. But each of them were having a doubt towards Macbeth because they thought to themselves that no innocent mind would have such fear, such anxiety in their mind. So they also started having doubts regarding the murder of King Duncan, then regarding the murder of Banquo, and the unreasonable blame that Macbeth put towards the two princes, that is Malcolm and Donalbain. And Macbeth even blamed Fleance about the murder of Banquo. So everybody was having doubts towards Macbeth, though they openly didn't say anything. Then Macbeth was also becoming a tyrant. He was becoming cruel. He has become a changed man. So everybody was turning against him. Then Macbeth started having doubts on one of his noblemen, Macduff, who is the 10 of 5. So what Macbeth did was he summoned Macduff to come to his court, but instead of that, Macduff fled away to England. Macbeth knows that his evil deeds would be revealed one day or other, but he was ready to face everything that comes his way. So he decided to seek the witches in order to know about his future. Aduduna mana midnight ki matam sida mana weird sisters sing do hello sing do gi manak sida la eba, and they were performing black incantations and they were clustered around a cauldron. Cauldron hai tardi huge pot company ko sida filthy oi ba ko yamna foul ba smell mayam se si brew to boil to raga to ko sigumba incantations black magic mayam si tharaga lairamba nare Macbeth sina aduga mana ko ngasagi witch sing do da ko ai future da kai tawra ka dagi se engon da hayu na hairak padagi witch sing sina mangon da saktam khara uhalle ko kari saktam no haiba matam sida ahan basida from the darkness there appeared a head mi mako ngata pai thore eba aduga it greeted Macbeth 3 times. Macbeth, 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 and a great tower aduga mana kai hairake haiba matam sida beware Macduff, beware the 10 of 5 and haire eba. Aduga second super figure amuk thogla aduna kaino haiba matam sida it was a figure of a bloody child ko hingna hing taiba figure am khak thogla eba aduga manasu ko Macbeth se ahum la kaura Macbeth, Macbeth, Macbeth and a kaura aduga sigi figures na Macbeth ta kai hairake haiba matam sida be bloody, bold and resolute, love to scorn the power of man, for none of women born shall harm Macbeth and haire eba. Haining ibadi kaino haiba matam sida ko nangna tawriba chathariba ko nangna mi hat pagi thawung thodong mayam bloody oiba action mayam se dum taw nang se dum bol oraga layu nangi khongpham sidagi handokanu kaigino haiba matam sida ne nupi na pokpa misak amatana nangonda karigumbam ta harm tawbanga moy na haire eba. Adu sitabasdagi Macbeth se hangaba yamna nungaire he took great comfort ko kaigino haiba matam sida nupi na pokpasina amta harpangam da taragadi even Macduff could not harm him haibasigi wakhan sida mas yamna nungai na laireba. Then a third figure appeared from the smoke of the cauldron ko kai figure no haiba matam sida a child with a golden crown on its head thogle eba ko masina ko aduga he was bearing a tree in its hand ko masina makhut sida tree am khak pairaga thogle aduga mana kai hairake haiba matam sida be lion mettled, proud, and take no care, who shapes, who frets, or where conspirators are. Macbeth shall never vanquished be until great Birnam wood to high Dunsinane hill shall come against him and hide ever. Haibadi nang se lion gi domaina proud oyu, lion gi domaina brave oiragalayu, nangi mayokta laiba conspirators mayam se haibadi nangi against the sarong siliba mayam se. Sidagi nang kaimta nachungunu karigumbamta pakhatkanu kaigino haiba matam sida you won't be defeated until and unless ngasagi Birnam gi jungle sidagi trees mayam se uproot tawraga Dunsinane gi hill se tamna lakthri phauba na hairam ko sitabadagi di ko Macbeth was pleased further aduduna masna kai khalle aise charmed over life ama laire aise kanamta na kaimta sokpa ngamaroi na mase khallaga laire. But he was not satisfied ko kaigino mana satisfied oidrise kaigino haiba matam sida ko ngasagi Banquo gi macha nupa sina ningthau oirakani Scotland gi na haibado prophecy do adu dum ningjangaga layeba aduduna mana further inquire tawba matam sida the witches show him a vision of 8 kings ko 8 kings ki vision ama show tawreba aduga the first one was Banco aduga atopa kwai last na ne hamra magi makhut sida glass ama hole tawraga layeba ko adu ma se kai haino se bhap tadreba Macbeth se when he tried to inquire about the vision that was showed to him the witches vanished mase mangre duna mase mathanda lepaga lay howreba adagidi mana sumaina ko nga aga lepaga layringai sida he heard the sound of a horseman galloping by aduga Lennox informed Macbeth that Macduff has fled to England na mana ko pause tammeba si tabadagidi Macbeth se suki matik mase saureba ko aduduna mana he immediately ordered to seize the castle of Macduff aduga adura layrameba ko nupi angang every living soul mayam se loina mahato o na mana order tawreba. That is some that Macduff was not aware of what was happening in his castle. Aduduna man English ki court se yaure England dadi Malcolm du suchien gi dana haibri Duncan gi machanu pa ahando Duncan hek sigiro matung da ma suchien gi dana ko aduna Malcolm se lairammeba adu Malcolm sida mana Macbeth ki evil deeds me am se tamaga khoina ma se overthrow taw se ma se tyrant habdo oire yamna cruel oiba ruler oire na haiba matam sida ahan bada Malcolm sina thaza bangam deba ko ma se spy oira boininge ba aduna Malcolm sina Macduff sibu yamna cold oina yamna unfriendly oina treat taweba adubu Macduff se yamna sincere oina yamna faithful oina Scotland sigi phanabagi damakta yai phanabagi damakta khanba mi ne se khangakpadagi Macduff sida Malcolm sina akoi punna Macbeth ki against the land sokminarasi akoi army se sem saraga leire na sumaina bani se yanaba ma pore ebo ko suddenly Rose appeared ko Rose hariba nobleman se ko Scotland gi si se makoi mamang da lepare aduga mana Macbeth ki against akoi se lan haurasi na haire aduga he also further informed the sad news of Macduff's family which was slain under Macbeth's order ko andagidi Macbeth ki side sida di magi loyal oiba mi se si se irei lei haudreba ko magi nupi ko Lady Macbeth magi michang adum changaga magi companion oirami ba nupi se si phawboda magi michang oidre kaidobagi oidrino haiba maram sidi ko mase she was utterly worn out oireba madi hamra mase full of horror adagidi anxiety na feel oiba ko mase wakhan je pu bangam da banupi haiba do oireba maran mayam sina mase hangaba aduga ngasagi Lady Macbeth se kayamuk yamna fibam sok age haiba matam sida ko she was afraid of darkness so she commanded that there should be always a burning candle by her bedside ko aduduna magi bedside sida ko burning candle amadum thamgadabani habagi order phawba pirabane aduga ma sleep walk tawre ebo ko sleep walk tawba hawre aduga mana sleep walk tawba sida ko mana magi closet se hangdo ani che ama lautho ani closet to dagi aduga karigumba khara irani mana iri do kaino na muk parani mana tawdoi se ko adagi di masina seal tawraga muk thamjangrani aduga phamung da muk changa ga tumdoi ne ba mana tawri se ko yamna disturb oiba mase mental peace to phangdraba ne ba Lady Macbeth se then her doctor determined to watch her ko masina kai tawge se yenge na sabyong na khalaga leire for 2 nights he waited along with her gentlewomen but unfortunately they were not able to witness anything adubu third suba night se ahum suba nungdang se she was walking with a candle and her eyes were open but it was senseless ko mamit sidi pangdo ineba adubu ma sense amta yaude ba haidi tumbada chatpani na gyan amta u ta pote ba mana chatli se khangaba aduna mana kai doge haba matam sida mana paira iba candle se mana thamme aduga makhut hambagi mawong sida ko mana makhut ka se hamaga layeba hangaba aduga makhut se hamna mana kai haige haba matam sida out damn spot out and ko ngasagi Macbeth na hatluraba matungda dagger do i ngata taidana Duncan do hatluraba matungda ko adugi e se chonggi bagi ko mana dagger do pairu bagi ko adugi e gi spot to si se chattabagum na khalle haiba mangon sida ko aduna makhut hambagi mawong sida ma se dum tawraga leiba then Macbeth na Duncan se hatlu ya dringai da mana injan gi bagi mawong adagi Duncan se hatluraba matungda Macbeth ta mana ko ngasagi akoi ka da chatlo there is loud knocking at the door kind ga mana hai gi ba mayam se ma se hallucinate tawraga ma se matanda choiron lo laga laire Lady Macbeth se khangaba aduga sida sunatana ko ma se yamna guilty feel tawi ma se maran sina mapot phare habe se karina ta ke habe matam sida ko magi makhut macha ani se hangaba Arabia hariba lamdu dagi perfume mayam se chai salaba phauba ko aroi na ma se mathanda yamna ningamdana yamna pendana मासे मथंदा हाइजेबको अदुना सिसिना कई ताके हाबे मतमसदा लेडी मैकबेथ्स लाइफ वाज फुल ऑफ एंजाइटी अदुगा मासे पोथाबम खंगदेब हमरा मासे मेंटल पीस तो फंगद्रेब मासे हंगाबा अदुना मागी थमोइनुंग द फुम्मगा लैब मागी फाउल डिड्स मयाम दो फोंगदोकपा ngamdabani मागी मकोक तो ओइना मासे हंगाबा कहे तारे अनकॉन्शियस स्टेट सिदा हंगाबा सि मयाम से फोंगदोरकपनेबा सि मयाम माना ngangoidaba sa oidaba mayam se ngangba haurakpanebako aduna doctor duga gentle women se gana watch tawrini duga doctors in gentle women se da warn tawramebako nang yam phajana se no ko she might attempt to kill herself and hairameba doctors in ko aduga somdana kadawre Malcolm sine Macduff ne duga makhoi gi marup sing sine Macbeth ki castle se tamna march tawba haure eba मखोई सिबो अतोप स्कॉटलैंड की प्रजा मयामनसु जॉइन तौरे हाबिदि मैकबेथ से कनामतना पामनद्रबनिना अदुना मैकबेथ की मिचंग सिदि इरै लेहौद्रेब हंगाबा अदुबु मैकबेथ सिदि सिगी मयाम से खंग तारगसु मासे कयमता नाचुंगदना लैथोएब कैदौबगी नाचुंगदना लैरिनो हाबा मतम सिदा मादि प्रोफेसीज मयाम दुना हाबदि नुपीना पोकपा अमतना नंग से हातपा ngамoi aduga ko you won't be defeated until and unless Birnam Woods come towards Dunsinane Hill and high give prophecies anisina masibu safeguard tawraga madi chant oiba punsi ama leirabanena mase khanbagi ko mase kaimta na chungdana dum leithoeba hangaba aduga masina ko ngasagi magi lanba manung sida magi fort manung sida up and down mase wakhan khalaga sum leiringai sida suddenly he heard a piercing cry ko makona yakpa ma lawba ma yam na ko lawrakpa ma khonam khaktaeba aduga mana mai servant to da kanano na hangba matam sida ko queen do sire na magi servants in hide ebko Macbeth na masigi wase taba sida mase hana dagi already he was very tired to such an extent that he was not able to feel sorrow for her ko mase mi se yam wa targa di kamtheng na wa targa di wakhan je pubangam da targa di ko mase kari he na waningai leitraba kai dune ba saturated oireba magi wakhan je hangaba aduduna माजना मागी लाइफ से असुकी मतिक आइगी पुंसी से यामना वैन ओइबा यामना यूजलेस ओइबा लाइफ ने माजना मथंदा खंजयेबा माना हंगाबा अदुगा माना मागी लाइफ से कनागा कंपेयर तौगे हाबा मतम सिदा ही कंपेयर हिज लाइफ विथ अ लिटिल कैंडल को कैंडल सिदि मथंदगी मंगान दा चाकथोक चैदना अदुमाइना तौदना मैकबेथ आइगी पुंसी सिसु आइगी एम्बिशन सिना मरम ओइरगा चाकथोक चरब अदुगुम्बा पुंसी अमनी ना हायबा हंगाबा अदुगा मागी पुंसी से माना फर्दर कनागा मुक डिस्क्राइब तौगे हाबा मतम सिदा इडियट अमना को मखोन वा साउंड एंड फरी पिक थन मीनिंगलेस याम ओइबा वारी अम लीबदो अदुगसु कंपेयर तौएब सुमाइना सुमाना को वखन जे खल्लगा लेरिंगाइ सिदा सडनली मागी मैसेंजर सिना को पाउ पुरगा लाएब करी पाउ पुरके हाइबा मतम सिदा को बिरनाम गी वुड्स टुना दंसिनेन गी हिल रोम सिदा को मार्च तौरगा लाए ना हाइरे एबदि मैकबेथ सिना को कइनो ने नंग ngangi दुबु नंग ngangi दो ओइदबा ngangi दो कइगिनो ना चैरकपा मतम सिदा माना येंगबदि असेंग किसु ngसागी उमंग सिना अप्रोच तौरे एब दंसिनेन हिल सिदा को अदो कमाइना नो ngसागी बिरनाम गी जंगल सिना दंसिनेन हिल सिता ना मूव तौबा माले इसे कइगिनो हाइबा मतम सिदा मेलकम से ही ऑलरेडी रिच बिरनाम वुड्स को अदुना माना बिरनाम गी वुड्स से हाना ना यौरबनी यौबा मतम सिदा मागी आर्मी माना पोर इबा सिंह से मैकबेथ होगी स्पाई मैम मखोगी आर्मी मैम सिना खंगदनबगिदमक्ता ही ऑर्डर्ड हिज सोल्जर्स टू कट द लीफी बाउस ऑफ द ट्रीज from Birnam Woods ko aduduga makoina amamam ngasagi leafy boughs or leafy branch mayam do amamam kakthatlaga makoina masing se khangdana bagidamakta mana puhallakpane ba magi army mayam sida adudi lapna yengbadadi ka daure ngasagi forest to hangaba jungle se oina move to bo oina ure ba haibadi ngasagi branch mana pungba mayam do army amamam do na pairaga sum approach tawra amnina Dunsinane Hill lom sida ko aduduna ne ba ko ngasagi Macbeth sina ko magi army sing sina su fight tawi approaching army do adubu yamna weak oina ko हाइदी लांजी सोकना दया दबगी मोंग द तंग सोकना एब मीसु इरै ले हौद्रबनेब फाइनली आउटर वॉल्स ऑफ द कैसल से कनो सिना को मोय मेलकम होय मैकडफ होय की पार्टी सिना खुदुम चंजनग्रे मैकबेथ से हुजिकति मथंदा ngairabagumbaneब बट स्टिल ही फॉट furiously ko masina yamna ko thongna lingjen loina mana lan se thengnayeba kaigino mana furiously desperately mana fight tawri se kaigino haiba matam sida he was encouraged by the prophecy that no women born could harm him haiba prophecy sina mas encourage tawraga masina fight tawraga dum layeba hangaba last ding asagi Macduff sina mas koi ti thiri ni haidi mai dinu pi angang loina ma heart khrini dana ko anduna Macduff sina finally he found Macbeth aduga man attack taw bu hawre eba Macbeth sida hangaba aduga Macbeth sina hanga mana ngasai Macduff sina mangonda thang na haira iba mayam se blows mayam se mana loina mangak thoi aduga mana mock to bahura ameba you lose your labor I bear a charmed life and haira eba nangna tawzari do kaimta kana roi aigi di charmed oiba khanga ba aigi magic na protect tawra dugumba punsi amani nupi na pokpa misak amtana aisibu kaimta harm tawba ngamoy na Macbeth sina haira eba aduga Macduff sina kai khumake haiba matam sida your charm is useless and haira eba kai gino mana your charm is useless and haira ise kai gino haiba matam sida Macduff se nupina ko natural birth se tawraga pokhiba natte aidi surgery tawraga aigi matam do yaudringai da lauthokibani aduduna aidi women born natte na haira eba duna Macbeth na kai khalake haiba matam sida wits tuna mangonda pirakhiba prophecy do loina mak fulfill tawre haiba se mana khal eba haibadi birnam gi woods tuna su Dunsinane gi hill da la e aduga Macduff si su nupina pokpa natte na haira eba ko yet masina yamna thongna lingjen laina masina ko lantheng narami adubu ko it was in vain kai gino kanadri se kai gino haiba matam sida Macduff sina ma se ground se indharaga ko magi mangak se kakthlaga ha tokreba Macbeth ki ko aduna castle se hujikti ko Macduff hogi khudum challe aduga Macduff sina Macbeth ki akakpa makok se hangaba Malcolm sigi mafam da sinareba lady Scotland gi praja mayam se yam harauna re aduga yam harauna makhoina they announced Malcolm as the rightful king of Scotland. So so that's the end of the story. Before we end, let's take a quick recap of the whole chapter. Macbeth is a very able and brave general of Scotland, but he was blinded by ambition to such an extent that he murdered the king and he became the king himself. But he was not happy even after becoming the king. His mind became disturbed and he became a bloody tyrant and he killed lots of innocent people just to safeguard his kingdom. Then what happened was finally he was killed by Macduff and Malcolm, the son of King Duncan, was declared as the rightful king of Scotland. So from this chapter, we learned that though being ambitious is a good virtue, being overambitious may lead to downfall. We should be mindful of our actions. We should not adopt foul ways in order to achieve our ambition. So that's all for today. Thank you, everyone.